Now, I know some of you were probably worried that I wasn't going to talk about how to divide polynomials, and I just want you to know you have no worries there, because now it's time to do just that. So we're going to see how to divide 2x squared plus 13x plus 20 by 2x plus 5. And the way that I do that is I set it up as a long division problem. Okay, so I have 2x squared plus 13x plus 20, and that's going to go under the division symbol, and then the 2x plus 5 goes outside. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to write something up here, multiply, subtract, and bring down. That's what you do in regular long division. That's what you're going to do here. So it'll be multiply, subtract, bring down. So what do I multiply 2x by? Well, or 2x plus 5 by? Well, what I do is I look at the things in front. I look at the 2x, and I look at the 2x squared, and I say, what would I need to multiply 2x by to make 2x squared? Well, that's going to be an x. X times 2x is 2x squared. And then I have to distribute and do 5 times x and get 5x. And then I have to subtract, just like I would do in regular long division. So I draw the line, and I change the signs. Somebody told that to me once. I thought it was pretty good, so I'm using it. 2x squared minus 2x squared is 0. That's what we expect to happen. 13 minus 5 is going to give you 8x. So I multiplied, I subtract, and then I bring down. So I bring down my 20, just like if this were a plain old number, I'd bring down the next digit. Here I bring down the next term. Now I look only at the numbers out in front. I'm not going to look at the 5, and I'm not going to look at the 20. I don't worry about canceling those. If they cancel, great, but maybe they won't always cancel. We only worry about the things in front. So what do I multiply 2x by to get 8x? Well, 4. Since 4 is just a plain old number, I'll put it in what I'm going to call my number column. As you're doing these problems, you want to think of it in terms of columns. So you have your x squared column, then you have an x column, then you have a number column. Okay? And that'll be important later too. Now let's multiply. So 4 times 2x is 8x, and 4 times 5 is 20. Draw the line. Change the signs. If this were already negative, you'd make it positive. Cancel, and then 20 and negative 20 cancels. So my final answer when I do that division is just x plus 4 with no remainder.